I'm out here in Elma today, and I'm fishing with my friend Jen, one of my rodeo moms, and we're gonna just see what we catch. Last time I was here, I caught my first really nice pike, so we'll catch you when we find something. And what did you pull up?
I don't know. I think it's some sort of...
It's a pike? I don't know, it's got there. Interesting.
It is interesting.
And Jen's got something else.
Sort of a...
It's a hook?
It's a hook.
Is that part of a stove?
Yes, it is. It's a stove handle.
That is awesome. Cast iron?
I believe so.
Oh, very cool. Well, I just pulled something up, and it's too hard to pull off with the one hand, so I'll be right back with you. So it was a bolt of some kind, because you can see the little screw marks right there. So I got nailed. I got a screw, and that was pretty cool how it just kind of hit it there. And then I got a key, like a Honda key or something, like a motorcycle or some kind of cool key. And then let them, oh, got a hook. It just went there, and that's another part of a hook. So there's a hook, and that's about it.
Nails.
Nailed it again.
Yep, and
A screw or a fence post, part of a fence.
I was gonna say something.
Oh, it looked like it curved a little bit.
No, I think that was just weeds.
What did you get?
A bell, some sort of maybe.
A bike bell?
That's what it looks like. It's,
A ching, ching, ching.
yep.
Cool.
I told you there's probably a bike there because this magnet really drags.
That's pretty, but kind of disgusting looking at the same time.
It's still on.
Is that that's a spinner, isn't it? I don't fish,
I
so.
don't fish either. It's on there good. There we go.
She got herself a nice little spinner. Okay, you got a lure. That's pretty. And
I'm not quite for sure, but
it looks solid, but on that one end, not so much. And I got myself
Salad.
a lure. Almost twinning lure.
I've lost my view.
What the hell is that? Is that a speaker? Oh my god, it's heavy though. It's an insulator. It's an old insulator. You can see the... That is cool. Is that an O-ring or is that part of a pipe or something?
So it looks like it was threaded on the inside.
Yeah. Interesting. Here we shot. I got a yucky. Yeah. Some color. So on that throw, I got 1, 2, 3 little lures. You can see part of one right there. So 4. So odd shaped. And that's
rebar.
what, your third rebar? I think it is. Oh, what the hell is it?
I don't know. I can't see. Oh,
What the hell is it?
looks like a wheel.
Is that a wheel?
Nope.
Is that a... Oh my god, that is an old wagon wheel. Look at, you can still see some of the wood.
See some of the spokes.
It's a
That
bird.
is pretty cool.
That is super cool.
Find of the day.
So I just pulled up an earring and an old fishing lure. No clue on that one, but it's pretty. So Jen looks like she's got something. We'll see what she's pulling up. There's that cool wagon wheel that she found, but I pulled up. There was something else we couldn't connect, and then it was a wagon wheel. So let's see. Might be something in there, or it could just be seaweed monster. So Jen and I just did some bridge jumping from there to there to here, and so we're gonna see what we catch on this side, and then we're gonna hop over on that side and just clean up and have fun. I just pulled up this and keeps going and going, and there it is. Not long, but I'll take it. Jen got something.
Looks like a piece of pipe of some sort.
Bent pipe. You got something on the other side too. Just a little random hunk and chunk.
Right.
Sweet. What did you bring up?
It's got a red tip on it.
Orange.
But it is a gun.
Oh shit. You think it's real?
No, it's got a red tip.
But that's freaking.
Orange tip.
That's freaking cool. I don't know. Keep it low. I don't know. That might be real. Well, my second catch here, I got a net. Nothing like John's fine, but I'll still take it.
My glasses are. Ooh,
Did you have fun today?
I had a lot of fun today.
A lot of good
finds.
Good time cleaning the waterways and just kick-ass finds.
I was gonna say, having fun.
That's what it's all about. Well, we'll catch you later, babers.